What's up everybody, this is Colin Dijs from Deborah, and in this video I have an amazing announcement. We reached the ClickBank Platinum affiliate status live with our journey with Tom. The playlist you've been following hopefully last couple of days, weeks, months. Obviously amazing experience. This award, which you can see here, is a screenshot of the email. Tom, congratulations, your hard work and dedication to excellence has secured you platinum status for 2021. Top 1% ClickBank affiliate. You claim your 2021 Platinum Award. Very happy for Tom as well that we were able to achieve this together. Tom is our third ClickBank Platinum affiliate, which we have on board in my program. And this is a shameless invitation to you. Of course, you know, we run a software platform. We can help you. I want to help you. This YouTube channel is all for free. You can learn for free. But if you're interested, please give this video a thumbs up. In the description, you can book a call with me to see if you're eligible for the Deborah Suite platform, which is what everybody is using on our team, community, and Tom as well. You can talk directly with Tom inside the community. You can talk with me. As you can see, we are very active. My coaches are in there, and hopefully we can help a lot more people this year reach the ClickBank Platinum status, which is over $500,000 on ClickBank within a certain year. Of course, this is just the beginning for Tom. We have had a little hiccup on Facebook, if you know what I mean, but within 2 days, we're back on $1,000 and back on $3,000, and basically pushing even bigger than the previous level of what we have achieved. So it is not really overwhelming. I expected this. It is a major achievement for Tom. All the respect and kudos for Tom for his amazing performance, but I'm also a little proud of what he has done. And of course, we want to help you. As I said, this is a promotion. If you want this, then check the link in the description. Book a call with me personally, where I see if you're eligible. Of course, you need some experience. You need to have some money to invest in the things required. But this is not a $1,000 course. This is for my software platform, the Deborah Suite, where I also do coaching. We have courses and all the softwares required. And hopefully you can get the same experience as Tom reaching the ClickBank Platinum status. If you're interested, schedule a call, link in the description, and have a chat with myself. Once you're approved, you can talk with Tom, with me, and all my other coaches. Thank you.